One perspective on handling the multiple comparison problem is to distinguish between planned comparisons and unplanned comparisons. So if I plan ahead of time, if I have a research plan that says, here are the tests that I'm going to do and the intervals I'm going to create, and this is my plan, and there are 6 of them, and these are the only 6 tests I'm going to do. Often then you can philosophically avoid doing special procedures for multiple comparisons because you ahead of time said these are the only tests I'm going to do, and you're not searching around, and there's less of a problem that you're going to accidentally find something and report the only finding that happened to by accident be significant. That's separate from unplanned comparisons, which is what happens when you look around in your data, run every possible test, and report the tests that happen to come up significant. In those cases, you really need to be applying a multiple comparison procedure because if you look around hard enough, you will find something. Eventually, something will look significant, even if it's just by chance. So one philosophy is to have a predetermined research plan, stick to it, and then the multiple comparison problem is less of an issue.